Hi, this is Vishal.
Hi, this is Shekhar.
You're watching BollywoodHangama.com.
You're having Arijit Singh who has sung Nashe Se Chad Gayi. You've also spoken about that. And that usually he's associated with slow, sad, romantic songs. And it was he has
The
done
thing
like
is,
a
Arijit
Maitreya
is a
hero as
phenomenal
well.
singer. I mean, he's also sung Dilli Wali Girlfriend. He's also sung what's the song?
Maitreya hero as well. He has sung one song, I think.
What's the song? Just now also, there's one song in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil also, like a very up-tempo song that he sang.
Bulia. But Bulia is
नहीं, Bulia नहीं.
Bulia, he has also sung Bulia, but they did not keep his version.
No.
Basically, Arijit Singh.
अरे वो what's the party song? Yeah, that
Cutie
breakup
Pie.
song.
Cutie Pie, breakup song.
Anyway, Arijit से कुछ भी गवा लो.
हाँ, he can sing anything.
Whether it's
Very
a
versatile.
ghazal or whether it's a dance song or whether it's a romantic song, he can sing.
Or classical song, whatever it is, he can
anything.
sing all
So
of it.
Absolutely.
He's one of the most talented singers we have today.
Right,
And
but he doesn't sound like Arijit Singh, which is I think you have to look at the credits to just
So
find out that.
again,
Which is,
one
I
of
think,
the one of
really-
the key sort of aspects of Nashe Se Chad Gayi was Adi's brief that I never wanted to go into like a high shouted space.
Jay.
जो आजकल काफी, I mean, that's quite a normal thing in a song, you know, like a song starts low and then it goes off into some into like a high note, like where the singer can sort of show his range and so on and so forth. It's laid back, totally. You hear Nashe Se Chad Gayi, there's no mukhda, there's no antara, there's just a flow. The whole song just flows, and that's it. And so I think Arijit also got a chance to kind of to kind of just settle into that, to kind of just chill into the groove and feel the song. And I think once he came in and learnt it, it's, you know, anyway it doesn't take him too much time to learn a song, even if it's a complicated song. But the melody is so simple and so hummable that I think he got it immediately, and he was just. I don't think there was any sort of.
there are only two parts in this song. Two parts. One is Nashe Se Chad Gayi.
Yeah.
There's one, and second is.
Yeah,
इतना ही है.
Yeah.
And then,
That's
of course, the one 4-line Punjabi
And then
interlude
Punjabi
that
bit.
was-
Yeah. Okay.
Simple, and that's what he wanted. He wanted simple music,
Absolutely.
music you can kind of hum, so you can sing.
So he
fresh,
just, yeah, I
happy.
think Arijit just breezed through it. It was-
Right.
yeah.
Okay, so before we move forward, can we have like a few lines from Labo Ka Karobar and then from Nasib?
Can we have a few lines from you, Farid?
No, no.
Labo Ka Karobar is
that I've already done actually. मैंने पहले कर दिया इस बार तो. If you can have from.
I think you'll know the lyrics better than us right now.
No, I'm sure that you do. So Labo Ki Karobar like hai, and then Nashe Se Chad Gayi. I can give the lyrics if you want. I have it over here.
Which is very important to mention. Very important to mention. Papon
Yeah.
sang it
Yeah, we were coming to that. He's
so
very-
beautifully.
Very
Or-
dreamy actually.
And Adi is like, he loved the voice so much. He's like a modern Manna Day.
Yeah, that's true.
And
He sings ghazals very well.
Beautifully.
He is.
Beautifully.
Papon is see, there are some singers where वो जो रूह की connect होती है ना, वो straight away you can just feel that this voice is kind of so connected with
Right.
with the Almighty so strongly that you just hear it, like KK's voice, for example.
Yeah.
Papon's voice, beautiful. There's a connection with God here straight away. It means
No,
the voice comes in, and the texture of the voice and the feel. Effortless singing is something which
I just think he's a good guy, like a real guy, and so that shows in his voice. I believe every musician's personality shows up in their music.
That's true. That I think Vishal Bhardwaj said once, I think somewhere, that if you're a good human being, it will show in your voice.
It's so true,
Yeah,
so true.
Said that.